ocelayo uyaphiwa, ongqongqozayo uyavulelwa. Yabona njengoba kukhona ama-infinite potentials and possibilities in the present moment. Yabona mfowethu, ngikutshela iqiniso mina. Uyakwazi ukustepha outside of space and time. Kunevithi engeke ngayenza la. Yabona uwena o-successful, uwena othokozile, uwena ojabulile, owena bakhona ba-infinite in the present moment. Kune-infinite potential. But yini okwenza ukuthi wena ucollapse lo wena okhona njengamanje? It's the way you think, feel and act. Once you change the way you think, feel and act, you resonate with wena ohlukile. Yabo mfethu, le reality wena othi reality kuhlezi kuyimanje. Kuhlezi kuyimanje, ayikho past, ayikho future, kuhlezi kuyimanje, eternal now. Uyabona ukuze uyi-understand kahle lento. When ubona le fragment le yamanje, kodwa the whole story has been already written. Njengokuthi nje ubaba umfundi Vundla uyibhalile generations nje yonke ama episode wonke, uthola ukuthi wena kodwa ubona lo episode at a time. Lokho akwenza ukuthi kube ukuthi that is the only episode that is there. It just wena that's what you see only, but there is still more to come ngalesikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi ngenzana noma yini, noma inini noma kanjani, kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli. Uyabona, ngike ngathi ngomhla ka-23 ke kade ngiyilapha ya kwivuma FM ngomhla ka-23 March 2026. Kukhona umbuzo ke wafika, ngibuzwa laphana usisi uVanessa ukuthi ke what if kukhona umuntu othi mina izinto zami zihamba kanje, mina ngadle ngulwa, mina this and that, yabo akuhambi kahle. Uhleli kwi-past, into ekuhlanganisa ne-past wena nezokwenza ukuthi i-past ibe i-present iphinde ibe i-future, ube ne-predictable life. Ilento yokuthi uwena lo odlule u-exista as energy, because wena what you remember is how you felt by the time kwenzeka lento eyenzeka kuwena, because wena you are an emotional being. Even ukuthi awusebenzi, awunjani, kumndenini wakho kunjani, konke lokho kuyi-emotion, the very byproduct of i-thought and experience. La kugcina khona umphelandaba is the emotion, ngoba yonke lento oyifunayo nawe ekugcineni it is how you feel that will make it tangible to you. Ungafila kanjani nje wena ungasafihli, ungasenawo ama-emotions? So ama-emotions ke is the umphelandaba basically. So ke ngeke ngawuthola ke lo mbuzo. Yabona ke uma ngabe umuntu esazoqhubeka acabange ngepast nangendlela ekwenzeka ngayo nangendlela azizwa ngayo in the past, kusho ukuthi lo muntu neurologically ustrengthenisha ama-neurons, the neurons connections kwi-brain. Uyawa strengthenisha lo ma-connections. Mewa strengthenisha ke indlela ehlezi ihanjwa ihlezi izocenteka vele, ngoba vele ustrengthenisha lo ma-neurons lawa that associate with that particular experience you experienced. Njengoba strengthenisha nje vele, surely the way you are going to feel is the same way you felt that time. So obviously we are sending that signal to the world, to the universe. So ke angeke ke uze uact beyond what you think. How you think will determine how you feel. How you feel will determine how you act. So based on that thinking and feeling, you are going to produce that reality efanayo nalokho. That is why umuntu wakwadle ngulu uthola ukuthi uyaphinda futhi uyadle ngulu. Umuntu wenzeka into ukuthi trauma ukuthi iyaphinda futhi yenzeka, ingoba yena lemcabango lokho eshaya replay la istrengthenisha ama connections, and the thinking and feeling yena still isafana nangalisa sikhathi uya attract ngokomthetho we quantum physics ke ngokomthetho we universe law of attraction. You will attract the way you feel, or you attract into eresonate nalendlela le ozizwa ngayo nofila ngayo. So uma wena ufuna ukushintsha iscenario nempilo yakho in the present moment, uzoxhumana nalo wena lo oyipotential, lo ofila ngalendlela le afila ngayo ngenxa yokuthi izinto zakhe zenzeka ngalendlela yena afuna ngayo. Kumele ukuthi uxhumane naye ke wena emotionally, uxhumane naye. That's how you are going to collapse that person. Hayi kanye njalo, the way you think, the way you feel will dictate the way you are going to act, and the way you act eventually will dictate your results. So ke kwi present moment kahle kahle kukhona yonke into. The story has been already written. Wena ngendlela ucabanga ngayo uyangqongqoza, ungqongqoza kuwena lo omunye. Angithi yazi ukuthi always sikwi binary consciousness, it's either this or that. Because you didn't take that option, you took this option, then the timeline shifts. You are going to a different timeline. That timeline goes on. You are constantly shifting the timeline, and the way you shift the timeline, you are creating a trajectory that is leading to a certain door or a certain you that you are going to collapse. So izomatcha ke reality yakho nendlela ocabanga ngayo nangendlela ozizwa ngayo, izomatcha to the point ukuthi uzogcina usuba kwi feedback loop yani ye thinking and feeling. The way you think will dictate the way you feel, and the way you feel will also dictate the way you think. Usuka feedback loop ngaleso sikhathi, because by the time you think, there are biochemicals that are being released in your body. Those biochemicals, they make you feel a certain way, and that certain way will push back the way that feeling will push back to signal the same thoughts that resonate with that feeling, and more biochemicals that resonate with that process are being produced. So you find yourself in that hypnotic rhythm, thinking and feeling. Lapho uzohlezi ustakile ke lapho. Uzohlezi ustakile kwi reality ethile nje. Yabo? You need to step outside of time and try to connect with the you. That you that exists as a potential. Kusho ukuthi ke kuno oxytocin, kunabo endorphin, kunabo dopamine, kunama biochemicals athile that makes you feel. Yabo njengo endorphin nje to release pain, oxytocin love hormone. Lo ma hormones lawo kubalekile ukuthi ibrain wakhe ihlezi wa release. Lokho kuya kulapha emzimbeni biologically, kuphinde futhi kucreate i-reality ehlukile for wena. Yabo nje if khona manje ngathi mina, can you please be that you that is driving that car, staying in that house? Can you be that you? Can you just be that you? Just imagine ukuthi how would you feel? So lokho sekunjalo. Why don't you think ukuthi, oh, this thing already exists? Why don't I leave it now? That thing already is there as a potential right now as we speak. So why don't I feel that way? Why can't I convince my mind to think and feel that way? How would I feel? It's nice, ne? It's nice. Now you start to release those biochemicals in your body, and then ukujwayele lokho, to think and feel that way. Yabo nje mina I can tell you for free mfethu. I can tell you for free. I-proof yezinto engikhuluma ngazo, iqala kim first. Yes. I cannot sell you something that is not working for me, that didn't even work. I cannot sell you. Yabo, mina nginayo ingcindezi. Ngihlangana nama challenges awo wonke umuntu nje, futhi amnandi ngoba impilo engenama ama challenges is very boring. Kube khona isikhathi nje la ngibona khona yaza yeke challenge and it's very boring. Stagnant nje. There's nothing to solve, and then eventually challenges do come, and then I become happy. And now there are challenges for me to solve. Now I'm happy, you see. Because I know what I'm talking about. I know. I don't even need ukuthi kube ukhona ukuthi mhlawumbe uyaku-endorse noma kanjani. Uma ungi-challenge vele usuke u-challenge nje into ongayazi ngoba lento i-proof umuntu